And we are in front of a Dreamer Camper 5 Addict with an interesting design and actually a pretty good price. Starting price 60 to 800 and final price with this mess is 72 750. Wide kitchen heating area with this sitting position, and this should be actually the part where you store two gas bottles. Nice feature and design, pretty unique for these camper vans. Fiat Ducato chassis, wide sitting area with an actual armrest. Well, not bad. And there is a drop down bed. Yep. And when you drop it down, this is the actual look. I will try to actually measure this. So from end to end, 1.942, maybe slightly less, but that's a pretty wide bed. And let's try to measure. Oh my god, my light fell off. About 1 meter, but it should be kind of more wide, just to the ends. 1.4. The actual best should be about 1.20. Let's pick up my gimbal light and then get to this shower unit. Yep, it's actually a sink with actual cassette toilet, and then switching to this side you will get a pretty good sized shower. From this side we shall be finding the actual fridge. Yep, that for fridge. And then on the back there is a sitting area that can be converted into a smaller double bed with another smaller bed on the upper part with the nets. And this is the actual, not recommendable per 6-year-old. Yeah, okay, suitable for children under 6-year-old without supervision. And this is an actual big cabin space right there. Going out and putting the bed up, let's try with this hand. Perfect. Going out, getting on the back to measure actual size of the bed if made for 2 people. 1.1 meter, it will be kind of cramped, but yeah, sleeping for one, it's pretty spacious. And yes, we have the 5th seat that you can mount from the front part. And pretty unique design for this Dreamer Camper 5 that actually sleeps and drives 5 people. There you go.